Hey guys, so I'm going to use customized search, but I wanted you to see how to make your own because it's something that I think can be really useful to you. So all you do, go to Google, customizable search takes you here, and you can add one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to name this one example search, right? And I want it to search a specific sites, right? So I want to narrow down not the entire internet, but just some. So let's say I wanted to look at, the Purdue University Online Writing Lab. I'm going to add him here, right? Let's say I was searching the Khan Academy. I'll just copy and paste these here. So if there were a bunch of them, like if you were in English or you were looking for something from the Holocaust or, you were looking at Ed Helper for work, you could put these in here and provide them and then tell it, this is my example search, Wolf. I'm not a robot. And then I'm just going to hit create. Now, this is really cool because I can share it, I can provide it on a public URL, or I can control panel it. But I wanted you to see how to use it just so that you understood we use mine here in a second in the other how-to video of how to search things within my content that I want you to. I just thought it was really cool, and I thought you guys would like an opportunity to try to use it yourself.